You want to put the cable right in the middle of the center of your chest. So for him, it'd be right around this height. Grab each one and have a seat. Make sure you go in front of the bench, just how he did. Perfect. When you're sitting, keep them inside here so you can press it out and start your set. So press it out, tuck those shoulders down right in the middle of your chest. Perfect. Palms down, hands are perfectly parallel to the floor. Shoulders down, chest up, feet are planted on the floor. His head, he's looking straight. You're going to come out to a 90-degree angle right there. Bam. Elbows line up with the shoulders. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way out, and squeeze that chest. Look at it work. His arms are in the center of his chest. He's not moving his arms down or up. He's coming down perfectly to that 90-degree angle. Elbows are meeting up with the shoulder, and he's pressing and locking it out, squeezing that chest.